The future of transportation has officially arrived, and these incredible vehicles are proving that science fiction is becoming reality. From flying cars and personal eVTOL aircraft to solar-powered EVs, fan-assisted hypercars, and compact electric trucks, today's innovations are redefining speed, efficiency, and mobility. In this countdown, we'll explore 10 of the coolest vehicles that are finally here, showcasing groundbreaking technology, futuristic designs, and game-changing performance that could transform how we travel forever. Number 1. Alef Model A. The Alef Model A is a groundbreaking all-electric flying car developed to combine the convenience of road transportation with the freedom of personal flight. Created by Alef Aeronautics, it features a unique vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) system that allows it to lift off without the need for a runway, making it ideal for future urban mobility. Its lightweight carbon fiber body houses multiple hidden electric propellers beneath a mesh exterior, while the rotating cabin keeps passengers upright during both driving and flight. The two-seat vehicle is designed to fit in a standard traffic lane, park in a regular garage, and operate like a conventional electric car on public roads. It offers an estimated driving range of up to 200 miles, 322 kilometers, and a flight range of approximately 110 miles, 177 kilometers on a single charge. Number 2. Jetson ONE. The Jetson ONE is a revolutionary personal electric aircraft designed to make flying accessible, safe, and exciting for everyday users. Developed with a lightweight aluminum space frame and carbon fiber composite body, it features 8 powerful electric motors paired with 8 propellers for stable vertical takeoff and landing. The open-air cockpit provides outstanding visibility, while the intuitive joystick controls and fly-by-wire system simplify operation for pilots with minimal experience. Advanced flight computers, LiDAR sensors, automatic hover assistance, and redundant propulsion systems enhance stability and safety throughout every flight. A built-in ballistic parachute provides additional emergency protection. The Jetson ONE reaches a top speed of approximately 63 miles per hour, 102 kilometers per hour, and offers around 20 minutes of flight time per charge. Number 3. Aptera Launch Edition. The Aptera Launch Edition is an ultra-efficient 3-wheeled solar electric vehicle engineered to redefine sustainable transportation. Its aerodynamic carbon fiber composite body dramatically reduces drag, allowing exceptional energy efficiency and extended driving range. Integrated high-efficiency solar panels on the roof, hood, and rear hatch can generate enough electricity for up to 40 miles, 64 kilometers, of daily driving under ideal sunlight without plugging in. Powered by a 3-motor all-wheel drive electric system, the vehicle accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 4 seconds, while delivering an estimated driving range of up to 400 miles, 644 kilometers on a full charge. The lightweight design, advanced battery technology, regenerative braking, and low rolling resistance maximize overall efficiency. Number 4. Volonaut Airbike. The Volonaut Airbike is a futuristic personal flying vehicle that delivers the sensation of riding a motorcycle through the sky using advanced vertical flight technology. Built with lightweight carbon fiber composite materials, it features a compact open-frame design that provides unobstructed 360-degree visibility while maintaining excellent maneuverability. Its innovative propulsion system enables smooth vertical takeoff, stable hovering, and responsive flight controls for an exciting flying experience. Advanced onboard stabilization software continuously adjusts balance and flight dynamics, improving safety and control during operation. The minimalist cockpit includes intuitive controls that make piloting more natural while reducing overall vehicle weight. Number 5. McMurtry Spéirling. The McMurtry Spéirling is a revolutionary all-electric hypercar that redefines automotive performance through its innovative fan-assisted downforce technology. Unlike conventional supercars that rely on aerodynamic wings, the Spéirling uses powerful rear-mounted fans to generate constant downforce even while stationary, delivering exceptional grip, cornering, and braking performance. Its lightweight carbon fiber monocoque chassis and compact single-seat cockpit are engineered for maximum speed and agility. Dual high-output electric motors produce immense power, enabling breathtaking acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 1.5 seconds, while providing instant torque throughout the speed range. Advanced battery technology, sophisticated thermal management, regenerative braking, and race-developed suspension ensure outstanding track performance and reliability. The futuristic cockpit features a digital instrument display, racing controls, and advanced telemetry systems for precise driver feedback. Number 6. Klein Vision AirCar. The Klein Vision AirCar is an innovative dual-mode vehicle that seamlessly transforms from a road-legal sports car into a fully functional aircraft within minutes. Designed with retractable wings, a telescopic tail section, and a rear-mounted propeller, it allows drivers to travel on highways before taking off from a conventional runway for regional air travel. Constructed from lightweight composite materials, the AirCar combines automotive comfort with certified aviation engineering. Powered by a high-performance internal combustion aircraft engine, it reaches cruising speeds of approximately 155 miles per hour, 250 kilometers per hour, and offers a flight range exceeding 600 miles, 1,000 kilometers. The comfortable two-seat cabin includes modern digital controls, premium seating, climate control, and intuitive driving and flight interfaces. Number 7. Telo MT1. The Telo MT1 is a next-generation compact electric pickup truck designed to deliver full-size utility in a remarkably small footprint. Despite being similar in length to a compact hatchback, it offers a spacious 5-passenger cabin and a highly versatile truck bed capable of carrying large cargo, building materials, outdoor equipment, and recreational gear. Built on a modern electric platform, the MT1 is available with powerful dual-motor all-wheel drive, providing rapid acceleration, confident towing capability, and excellent off-road performance. Its advanced battery system delivers an estimated driving range of up to 350 miles, 563 kilometers, while supporting fast DC charging for convenient long-distance travel. The minimalist interior features a large touchscreen infotainment system, digital driver display, premium materials, over-the-air software updates, and advanced driver assistance technologies. Number 8. Verge TS Pro. The Verge TS Pro is a futuristic electric motorcycle that stands out with its revolutionary hubless rear wheel, where the powerful electric motor is integrated directly into the rim. This innovative design eliminates the need for a traditional chain or belt drive, reducing maintenance while delivering instant torque and exceptional efficiency. The motorcycle produces rapid acceleration, reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds, with a top speed exceeding 124 miles per hour, 200 kilometers per hour. Its advanced battery system provides an estimated urban riding range of up to 217 miles, 350 kilometers, while DC fast charging significantly reduces charging time. Built with a lightweight aluminum frame, premium suspension, ABS, traction control, regenerative braking, and multiple riding modes, the TS Pro offers outstanding handling and safety. The modern cockpit features a full-color digital touchscreen display with smartphone connectivity, navigation, and real-time vehicle information. Number 9. City Transformer CT2. The City Transformer CT2 is an innovative electric microcar engineered specifically for modern urban transportation, combining compact dimensions with advanced technology and everyday practicality. Its patented folding chassis allows the vehicle to contract to approximately 1 meter in width, making it easy to navigate congested streets and fit into extremely tight parking spaces. At higher speeds, the chassis expands automatically to improve stability, comfort, and driving confidence. Designed with seating for 2 passengers, the CT2 features a modern cabin equipped with a digital instrument cluster, touchscreen infotainment system, smartphone connectivity, climate control, keyless entry, and advanced safety technologies. Number 10. Lightyear 2. The Lightyear 2 is a next-generation solar electric vehicle designed to maximize efficiency through advanced aerodynamics, lightweight engineering, and integrated solar charging technology. High-efficiency solar panels built into the roof and hood continuously generate electricity, allowing the vehicle to gain additional driving range from sunlight and reducing dependence on public charging stations. Its streamlined body minimizes air resistance, while the efficient electric powertrain and advanced battery system deliver an impressive driving range with exceptionally low energy consumption. The spacious interior features premium seating, large digital displays, intelligent infotainment, wireless connectivity, over-the-air software updates, and advanced driver assistance systems for enhanced comfort and safety. Regenerative braking further improves efficiency by recovering energy during deceleration. These amazing vehicles offer a glimpse into the future of transportation, combining innovation, sustainability, and incredible engineering. Whether you love flying cars, electric motorcycles, or next-generation EVs, the future has never looked more exciting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing technology and vehicle countdowns.